Morning, everybody. I'm on my way to go get some coffee. It is 8 o'clock Sunday morning. The Jeep broke last night, so today I'm going to start pulling the transmission. Here's the little video clip I got.
Oh, yep, bearing's fucked. Yep, that's what it is.
I think my clutch is fucked. Something with my throwout bearing or my clutch, and I've got to pull the transmission out. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab some coffee real quick and I'll be at the shop. All right, y'all, so the Jeep up here on the lift, I got me some coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and start ripping apart everything, trying to get the trans out. Hopefully got somebody coming so they can help me, manhandle the transmission out. I don't have a transmission jack. So yeah, I'll start the time lapse, get it all up. You know the drill. Let's go. Thank you, Jay and Justin. Thank you for coming over and helping me get the transmission out and the clutch out and the flywheel off. So, damage report. A, oil pan gasket needs replaced. It's sitting on the counter over there. B, so the spring came out of my clutch. That's what's making all the weird noise and making it stop. The spring just came out. I don't know what that's about, but I'm just getting a new clutch. This thing is 16 years old. It's got some heat. Right there. Yeah, just really right there and right there. So, just gonna get a new one. My flywheel also has seen some better days, so I'm gonna go get this resurfaced. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the oil pan and change out the oil pan gasket, snug it back up, put oil back in it, and yeah. Alright, so I got the pan off, gasket off, and that's what the bottom of an LS looks like, if anybody wants to know. For anybody that doesn't watch Cletus's channel. As oil drips all over me. Try my hardest and darndest to clean this up. Looks really good down here. It looks very clean. Alright, sorry everybody, the camera died, but
We got the flywheel. We got to bring to Met's, get it resurfaced. We got our spark plugs and plug wires changed. The plug wires fell apart. So we got the new fresh ones in there. I can't crank it up yet until I get the flywheel back. And I want to get the transmission on and everything with the new clutch. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Later.
Late, bro.